part 3 of Jamaica Carnival review.
Right.
So basically, I talk about soca versus dancehall now with the vibe thing of both. So
yeah, man.
Break that down for you now.
As I say, yeah. No, again, remember, I say I'm a bit introverted.
Right.
So I'm not trying to act like I am the
you know it all,
right? The know it all of all parties and stuff. But it's not that I'm a stranger to it either.
Right.
Right. So, as I say, as I have observed, there's too much politics in a dancehall party and dancehall vibe sometimes.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Meaning
like too many factors outside of just enjoying yourself.
Right.
You know,
but soca does get to the point.
Right.
Yes.
You understand what I'm saying?
I understand.
So, soca is woman, soca is enjoyment. All them songs, it's their fun. You know, play on words. Right. What I'm saying, what the song say, like I never come here for stand up.
Yes.
I came here to something with my hand up.
Yeah, man.
That song there, you understand? I'll be a
basically soca that in a nutshell.
That's it in a nutshell.
Yeah.
You understand? Again, dancehall have them little, you know, back
yeah,
it up,
man.
you know what I'm saying?
I want to big up dancehall at the same time. Because Jamaica is dancehall, well, big up dancehall culture. Cause for me, you know, I'm going to tell you straight, it depends.
Yes.
Because I got some ghetto dance already, and yeah, man, the girl them come to you and fling it on you. Them jump on you, all type of something. So you almost get the same vibes like soca, you know, but it depends where you go.
Right, exactly.
You know?
That's the thing.
Yeah, you have to go a certain party.
Yes, where vibes is the key.
Yeah.
That's why river and beach party to me are peak.
Yes, alright. So if you dancehall, you know, if dancehall on one river, it's a whole different ball game, I guess.
Yes, exactly.
But in the club, as you said, the girl them all of a sudden them get bougie, them dress up, them not to dance, them not to move.
I can't.
So again, when I not dancehall, but it all depends again. Dancehall river party, vibes. Dancehall beach party,
I just
vibes.
want to do the vibes there.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying?
So we need to give more vibes party then, basically.
Yes,
and stop this. Stop the bougie party then.
The bougie party them and the bagger. You know what
posing.
The posing and even the bagger gunman thing.
Yeah.
I really up in one gunman
man
thing.
a bad man.
Yeah, that mean I say like, that's why you say the whole dancehall and influence on the culture.
Right.
I mean, that's a whole nother thing.
Because a little eruption they go on a carnival.
Right.
And people upset about it because now that never happened before.
Right.
Never happened in the history of Jamaica. And again, it's like
spillover.
Man, you know?
Yeah.
Man will go there like me and you. Again, this is why me inspired Biscuit, you know. Them man a girl them man go out for enjoy themselves, full enjoy themselves, same with me status.
Right.
So I say Biscuit come in. Some man is like them go out for pre-man.
Right.
And them a go up for go see them enemy. So you have 100 girls around you, but all you are look out for are your enemy or some man where you have beef with.
What's the point? That me I say.
Alright.
Me not see the point.
No.
It just, and then you mix up and then you men lean towards violence more.
Yes.
And then with liquor and everything else.
Worse.
Yeah man, it's not a good combination.
So advice to the youth them, when you go out for enjoy yourself, go out for look woman.
Yeah man.
You know, even if you go there with your tuggy them, have that same mentality, say you're a woman where I go looking at. And nothing else where I pre but woman, enjoyment, fun.
Watch your back, stay sharp,
you still have to watch your back, yes.
But don't come with that energy.
You will say, mindset is everything.
Mindset is everything. Energy is everything.
You know?
You'll be surprised how your energy will attract that same energy to you.
Yes.
You hear it all the time, but it's true.
Yeah.
It is, man.
A lot of things is that it's almost like premeditation because you kind of premeditate. So, if I go out, and this something, then it gonna happen.
Right, exactly.
But the repercussions after. You know, so as you say, if you go with a mindset, say, yo, some girl, we're gonna get to that.
Right.
Or I go with some girl.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you might over there, so you never see, but even if you see with a business with him.
Right.
You know?
Yeah, you might just say, you know, with them there.
Yes.
But where you are with them for in the first place?
Yeah.
None of my business, but it's usually nonsense as well.
Right. Look at some words.
Right. Which is why I say
some words, yo.
The influence on the country, which I don't necessarily want to go too deep into, because we have too much, but it is. There is a negative side to it.
Yes.
And it does promote. Yeah man, we're bad. So even if you're there road, some song will say, yeah man, you're there road, if a man pre-array, this, that and third, everything. So them still promote it in the party.
Right.
You get what I say? So that I don't like that influence on us, because I think black people overall worldwide
Yes, we too easily influenced.
We act like Neanderthals too much.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying?
Everybody want to be bad, man.
But them just want bad to them against themselves.
One another, yeah.
Them own a race.
You know, bad when Mr. Chin or
you know, bad.
Mr. Whitey or
just look at foods.
But you know, towards you one another.
Right. The quickest individual a black man will choose violence for is another black man.
It's another black man.
You understand? And it push it. The music, hip hop do it too. Not as much as dancehall though. Dancehall is very focused on it.
Yes.
But them have them girl tunes, so that will help.
Yeah.
Some of them have them conscious meds, but then at that point it even goes into another genre.
Right.
You understand?
So again, I we love soca, and as you say, soca does. You never hear a bad man soca song yet.
Yeah, it's more pure.
It's always about girl having fun.
Yes.
You know, always about that, good vibes.
Yeah, man. So I appreciate it.
And next thing, I have some bridge, you know, I say, yo, man, I'm not go carnival in like a too much of them type of man there, you know.
Right.
But me I preach and say, me go there, again, that's why my love Spirit Biscuit, you know. When we go there, a girl we look for, girl we go there for. So even if certain type of man there, we not see them.
I'm not worried about that.
Even if we see them down, we see them for 1 second and it come like my band, you know, in the house them my band blind us.
Yeah, man.
Back to the girl, tunnel vision.
Yeah, man.
So I wonder how some man and say, yo, them not like carnival for this and that.
I really
but oh, you are pre that man so much.
Let me tell you.
Oh, you are pre.
No,
and you're not pre the girl.
It's also an excuse. Because some man, again, like the Jamaican mentality of, yeah, you know, we tough and we not really do the bag of rare, we just, you know? Because when you dance for your woman, it's like, bro, enjoy yourself. You know what I'm saying?
Waste your life that they are going like you're bad and you're tough. Right. You never want to move your waistline because it's a bad man up for wine.
Right, that may I say.
Yeah, so
it's an excuse. It's just an excuse. Cause some
you gotta look your bun because of that.
Them feel awkward and weird. And it's like, yo, fine, but don't project that upon everybody else.
Yeah, you know so they come with the energy. You know? Even at carnival, you see them with a whole heap of thugs there. You know, the background, you see them on the mask up and them.
Right.
But take it everything, but them not like the thugs there.
Yes, them can't. They can't.
Them not live.
The culture won't allow it.
Yeah.
You know what I say? But
you have to live, man.
As me free up yourself.
Yeah, you know one life.
Yeah, we're not trying to knock you, but open your mind too.
Yeah.
You understand? Another way of thinking in a sense.
Yes.
And enjoy yourself and enjoy woman. And don't fight over woman either. That's a little, you know what I say?
As I said, it all boils down to mindset.
Yeah,
mindset is everything.
Yes.
Because you saying if a man push me in or a man goes to boom or him, and I say, I'm not defend myself, you know.
Right.
But I don't go there for that.
No.
I don't go there for that. Because even, as I said, a couple man when in trouble now. Somebody they say, if him did run away, him would in no trouble now.
Right.
Him would have just, everybody that say, oh, him run away, but him would have come on him sure now. Alright. A 1 week now you lock off in a penitentiary.
With a bag of man.
With a bag of man.
Unfortunate.
So, the DJ did run away though. And him alright now.
Right,
the only one around there. People did laugh half time on social media. Still I say, yes, alright, but him are the one where alright no. Him not lock up no nothing. So sometime
take for yourself.
What's the numbers there against you? If you get a 1 box so be it.
Judgment from the masses for the most part is meaningless.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Because you as you say you in the cell now.
Right. Them just upon them dislike or a comment and whatever, and that's it. You're just
you in the problem.
Yeah, you're just a scroll pass.
Yeah.
You're just a post, bro. You see me?
Yeah.
So was it really worth it?
Work business bad man thing and portraying this bad man, is it really worth it?
Be militant.
Yeah.
Be militant, bro. You know what I say?
Yeah.
The country needs to evolve from that now. Which is why I like that. We've always loved soca still.
Yeah, man.
We love soca, but like say we kinda
expand even more and more.
Yeah, man. Expand the vibes, man. Go and expand it. I love it.
You have a quote I never forget, man. You have a farmer train him son in the arts of say ninjutsu.
Okay.
And in the art of use a sword. But at the same time them use a sword / cutlass for the farming.
Right.
So the son said, Daddy, why has I train me in the art as swordmanship and ninjutsu, but yet all we do a farming?
Right.
Him say, yeah, you know, you're a farmer, And this is our life and everything. But at the same time, you're still prepared for anything that might kick up and happen.
Exactly.
But you're not going to use it just sort of, and all of a sudden every day we're going to look fight. But it's better to be prepared in the event.
Right, exactly.
But don't keep your mind on it.
Exactly.
Keep your mind on the farming.
Yes.
God, this is life. This is what we are.
But sometimes there are those variables that we have to prepare for.
Yeah.
And that's why you have to teach it. It go deep, you know.
Yeah, man.
It goes deep. But yeah, man.
So the mindset is everything, as you said.
It's the main.
Everything is mindset.
It's the main thing. That's what I'm telling you. That.
Okay, but one of them out there, they think they have a mindset. Say, you know, I say.
Yeah.
I know this is my cover here for.
Right.
Because when they say, yo, see the youth, say,
it's proving.
That go on, man. And where the girl them there? They come tell me, say, him over the supper.
Yes.
Where the girl them there?
Jamaicans have a tendency to want to prove too much.
We're egotistic.
We're egotistical and we like to prove too much. Yeah. And as I say, it is really for man.
Yes.
You know what I say? Most of the things I do is for the approval of other man.
Right.
That's the only good thing about this situation, which I don't wish it upon anybody.
Yeah.
Is that it has actually risen or increased the awareness of man loving.
Right.
You know what I say? And I don't mean anybody who is LGBT. I'm not talking about LGBT. I'm not talking about that. Man loving as in, you know what I say?
You clarify it, bro.
Man loving as in like, you move like you love man.
Yeah.
And I don't mean like you're an actual individual who your orientation leads towards that.
It's more like
separate from that.
Yeah, pretty like you love war.
You love war.
You love contention with other men.
Right. Yeah. You understand? But as Jamaicans, you know me I say.
Yeah, man.
I move like on a love man.
Yeah, man.
You know me I say? Because everything you do is for the approval of them.
Right.
From another man.
I get where you're saying.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's so that they will respect you. So that that's everything you're doing is for their approval.
Right.
So not only are you subservient to other men, you are now you are basically
I just say live.
Yes, you're tailoring your entire existence around what they think. So you're not an individual. That's what I'm trying to say.
Right.
Your individualism lessens.
The people them will control this world, you know. The people you can't grow on this.
Right.
There are people that control this world.